Have you ever stopped and wondered what happened to the creative person you used to be? Life has a way of filling every moment of our days, doesn't it? Family, work, responsibilities, looking after everyone else. And sometimes along the way, many of us quietly stop creating. Not because we've stopped loving it, but because life simply got in the way. My name is Joy, and over the years I've discovered that most people don't come to painting because they want to become artists. They come because they're looking for something to ignite their creativity again, begin painting after years of not doing it, or to discover a new hobby that they can do for themselves and that belongs to them. And I'd love to share with you why picking up a paintbrush again can become so much more than simply learning to paint. But something wonderful happens when people begin to paint again. At first, they think that they're simply learning how to use colour mixing, or trying a new technique. But very quickly, they realise something much deeper is happening. Painting asks nothing from you except that you show up. There are no deadlines, no expectations, no one to please. And for a little while, the noise of everyday life becomes a lot quieter. You stop worrying about getting everything right. You become curious again. You play and experiment and slowly begin trusting yourself. And it's not about creating perfect paintings. No, not at all. It's about reconnecting with the creative part of you that's been waiting patiently all this time. I've watched this happen hundreds of times. People arrive beginning that they've lost their creativity. But creativity isn't something you lose. Sometimes it simply just gets buried beneath the years of looking after everyone else. And every time someone picks up a brush, they're giving themselves permission. Permission to slow down, to breathe, to notice the beauty again, and to remember who they are beneath all the busyness of life. I've often wondered why so many people are drawn back to painting, especially later in life. I don't think it's simply because they want a new hobby. I think it's because they're looking for something much deeper. Somewhere along the way, many of us lose that habit of creating just for ourselves. We've become busy doing that we forget what it feels like to be. And that's where painting is different. It gently invites us to actually slow down. When I pick up a paintbrush, I'm not thinking about creating a masterpiece. I'm not worrying whether it's good enough. I'm simply giving myself permission to be present with what I'm doing, to notice the colours, to enjoy the movement of the paint, to let go of everything else for a little while. And something quite wonderful begins to happen when I do that. Your mind becomes quieter. You stop judging every mark. You begin trusting yourself again. That's when painting becomes more than a picture. It becomes a real experience. The more I painted, the more I realised that I wasn't alone in feeling this. Everywhere I went, I met people who were saying exactly the same things. I've always wanted to paint, or I don't think I'm creative. I haven't picked up a paintbrush in school. And underneath all those words, I heard something much deeper. They weren't simply looking for painting lessons. They were looking for permission to begin again. At this time, I realised that it wasn't really about teaching people how to paint. It was about creating a space where they could slow down, let go of, the perfection, and rediscover their own creativity. And little by little, that idea became the Heart and Soul Art Academy. Not because I wanted to build an online course, but because I wanted to create a kind of place I wish every creative person could find. A place where the focus is on enjoyment of painting with all its amazing benefits, and a place where people can discover what colour, creativity and self-expression can bring to their lives. One of the greatest joys has been watching people arrive, believing they aren't creative, and then seeing them quietly begin to believe in themselves again. You know, it's fantastic. Their paintings become more confident. More importantly, so do they. They feel confident too, and happy and satisfied with what they're doing. You know, people sometimes ask me why I am so passionate about painting, and the answer is really quite simple. Life brings all of us experiences we never expected, seasons of change, uncertainty, and sometimes deep loss. I've had those experiences too. You know, but what I discovered was that painting didn't take away those challenges, but it gave me somewhere to put them, if you like. When my, brush and crayons touched the canvas, something shifted. My thoughts became quieter. I wasn't trying to fix anything. I wasn't searching for perfect answers. I was simply allowing myself to be present with what I'm doing. And that's something that I've seen happen again and again with so many of the wonderful people who paint with me. We all come with different stories, different experiences, different reasons for picking up a paintbrush. But once we begin, something beautiful starts to happen. Confidence grows, creativity returns, and little by little, we remember that we're more creative than we ever believed we were. So if you've been watching this and something inside you has been quietly saying, oh, you know what, I miss that creative part of myself, then perhaps this is your moment. It doesn't matter if you've never painted before even. It doesn't matter if you've been 40 years since you last picked up a brush. You don't have to be, an artist and talented. You simply have to begin. And this is really the reason why I created the Heart and Soul Art Academy. Not just to teach painting, but to create a warm, encouraging space where you can take your very first step. A place where you can explore your creativity without fear of getting it wrong or judgment, where you'll be supported, inspired, and gently encouraged to paint from your heart, because I truly believe that creativity belongs to all of us. I've seen it happen so many times. Someone who believed that they weren't creative discovers they were all along. Painting doesn't change who you are, but it helps you discover who you've always been. And I think that's really important. If something you've heard today has touched your heart, I'd love to invite you to take your very first step. Before you ever think about joining the Heart and Soul Art Academy, I'd love you just to experience it for yourself. And that's why I've created the free Heart and Soul taster course. It's a chance to slow down, pick up your paintbrush and discover what painting from the heart really feels like. There's no pressure, no expectations, just a warm welcome. And if it feels like home, I'll be there to welcome you into the Heart and Soul Academy. And you'll find all the details in the description below. So I hope to see you in the Heart and Soul Art Academy, where we can enjoy painting together.